How's it going, everyone? In this video, I'm going to be doing a recap of the day trades we have took this week, the ones I called out inside Team Bull live. But as always, before we get started, be sure you're subscribed, click the thumbs up button, and click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Let's get right into this. I like to keep these videos short and to the point. First off, we traded AMC, very small account friendly. You can see here on this hourly time frame, we had a nice triangle pattern. Simply was looking for a breakout of that. Let me pull up the 5-minute chart so we can get a better look. This trade happened on Tuesday. We broke out here on the opening 5-minute candle. Very nice break. Very nice volume. Bids held above that level instantly on level 2. Size was coming in. We got in with some 15.5 calls. Beautiful trade. Nice move up. Another entry I see here that I did not take. It pulled up, had a nice move up after initial break, pulls back down, picks up what orders were left in this area that we broke off the opening candle. A nice retest, then continued on. This would have been a potential second entry point if I had seen this. Unfortunately, I did not. This was a trade we took today on SQ. It was a nice bounce area. We had a CPI data come in bad, but we had a nice push down. I picked it up off this nice support level. Had a perfect entry on this. This trade went up nearly to 100% on my last sell, which was in this area here. If I'd have held, it'd probably been 150% trade or better, but I'm very happy with these profits. Called this trade out live, invoice, inside Team Bull. It was in my watch list. I give everyone free pre-market live on Instagram. Contracts were under $100. I can't remember my exact fill. Beautiful trade, super easy to manage. There was no reason to stop out. This is exactly what you want to see on a bounce. Another trade I took was on QQQ ETF. I love trading this. I love trading SPY. They have great options. They move really well. I had been watching this. I made it, I made everyone aware inside Team Bull to watch this pattern. Had nice consolidation. Volume was dying down. So I was looking for a break. I got in this trade right here at this 9 EMA. Came back up. I got the 285 call options. A little bit out of the money. That was cheap. There was roughly $100 on my entry. I sold 50% profit. So roughly $150 on my sell. If I'd have held, yes, it would have been it was nearly 200% trade at one point at the top of this candle. I looked, people ask me, Grizzly, how do you not get FOMO when you see that? First off, I got 50% return on my money in 4 minutes off this trade. Nowhere else can you get that. And second, I had no idea it was going to do that. I knew we was going to have a nice break, but my price target was the top of this candle here. It was a nice trade. Yeah, I could have stayed in this. There wasn't no reason for me to stop out. I could have still been in this trade at this point because we never fell below this 9 EMA here, as you can see. This white indicator, it's my 9 EMA. I know everyone's probably sick of me talking about it, but I let this 9 EMA guide me on my exits. That's one of my key indicators. When I'm looking to exit a trade, I'll simply get out or sell my runners once we fall below that 9 EMA. Another trade I took was this breakout here on GME above this 140. I simply watched volume and I watched the bids to hold above this. We broke. We had a move up to this 141.9. A decent move on the contracts. I'm happy with that return. Super easy to manage. I pretty much walked everyone through this. My entry, my trim, and I'm actually still holding some runners. I simply will stop out if we fall below that. Very easy to manage. Keep this in mind. I know it seems simple, but you do not let your losers run. You let your winners run. Okay? Follow your trading plan. Yeah, if you have any questions about any of these trades, feel free to reach out to me. I appreciate you all for watching this as always, and I hope that you have been making money from my pre-market lives. Kind of walk you through how I would trade the levels. I look at stocks for you all. Looks like I'm actually about to get stopped out here on this. But yeah, I appreciate you all for watching, and I'll catch you next time.